Today we're at the Village of Lincolnshire Food Truck Friday event. The food truck event started in 2013 as a lead-in event to the Taste of Lincolnshire and has since evolved into a seasonal event starting in 2015. We run it every other Friday, starting at the end of May through the end of August. You know, we try and grow it each year, bring in as many food trucks as possible. We've got about 9 trucks here today. Got a lot of options to choose from, ranging from Mexican to Italian to grilled cheese, even seafood. So a lot of options, a lot of different price points for people to choose from.
We've been serving street food in Northern Illinois for the better part of 2 years now. So this is our first year at the Lincolnshire Food Truck Festival. It's been very successful for us. So our Philly cheesesteak is one of our most popular items. We do it Chicago style, which is peppers, sauteed onions, mushrooms, loads of cheese on a Tuscan bread, and about 5 ounces of ribeye meat. It's a good sandwich. You should come try it.
So it's a centralized location, in the middle of a corporate park that gives thousands of employees an option to come out and have lunch, kind of spice up their Friday, an option that they might not otherwise have. It's an event that brings in people from all over the community, whether it be people working or if it's families, you know, bring their kids out. The event runs from 11 until 2 o'clock, gives people about 3 hours to get out here and enjoy lunch, get outside. Today we've got some music to kind of liven things up as well and just make it a fun event for everyone.